Hey, welcome back. I got some quick channel updates for you. I hit 100 subscribers the last couple weeks. Thanks, Erica McKay, for being number 100. In order to make it easier for people to find me, I'm going to actually brand this channel. I've decided to go with the name Dirty Shirt Workshop because, well, you know, even straight out of the laundry, these things look absolutely filthy, the stuff I wear out here. I've tried aprons. I don't like them. They get in the way. They get hung up on stuff. I'm a t-shirt guy. These are Filthy Shop shirts. That's what they're for. All right. A couple questions that I've gotten over the few years I've been doing this. What kind of channel is this? This isn't a welding or a machining channel. It's not a construction channel. It's not automotive repair. This is just a guy living his life, using his tools to make his life easier, whether that's building a new machine, like the log splitter for the backhoe, or fixing up an old truck, or building the shop, whatever it is, making furniture for the house, right? It's just, I really enjoy working out here and making whatever it is I need instead of going and laying down my hard-earned money for a piece of junk that's gonna break, right? So that's what I'm out here for. The videos, why do I do the videos? There's a few things. My dad, he really likes being able to see what's going on down here. His health ain't the best, so sometimes he can't come be involved like we used to do, always working in the shop, so it's for him. My friends that I know a lot of people through my work and of course my personal life, that they're like, hey, what'd you do last weekend? I try to explain, you know, hey, I made a log splitter for my backhoe, and they're like, what is that? Right? So you can answer so many questions, and then after a while, people just got to see it to really get it. So that's for them. And then I also do this for me. I'm thinking ahead if like I'm old, crippled up, can't do much. It'd be probably pretty entertaining for me to go back and see this old stuff and see what I've done with my life, kind of like people do a photo album, right? So that's kind of where that's for. What is the future of this channel? That's the other thing. Where am I going with this? Not much different than it is right now. I'm not going for millions of subscribers. I'm not trying to be some big influencer or anything like that. I'm definitely not wanting to hawk merchandise. I don't even really see myself trying to make money with this channel. So I'm just doing this to do it. So you're not going to see me probably deviate much from this unless something changes. I don't know what that would be, but I'm pretty sure I would talk about it too. So that's all I got. This is a nice quick one. And thanks for watching.